Hello sunshine. Today I want to fry this Ikan Bilis because I'm out of Ikan Bilis. I want to show how I make this Ikan Bilis crunchy. So first thing first, I will wash the Ikan Bilis. This is Ikan Bilis Bela Putih. I bought from Jaya Grocer. I will rinse the Ikan Bilis until all the water is clear. See, the water is very cloudy, so I will rinse it one more time. Next, I will use a tea towel to absorb all the water. Then I will pour this into another bowl. The secret is this, terbong goreng ayam. In fact, any fried chicken, flour will do. So I will cook this with this fried chicken flour. Like 1 to 2 spoonful is enough already. So mix it well. Okay, now it's ready to fry. I will use a wok to fry my Ikan Bilis. When I put the wooden chopstick into the oil and there are bubbles coming out, meaning the oil is hot enough. So maybe I need to do it in a few batches. I will fry until it turns color and it has a crunchy sound when I move it. I mean, not a crunchy sound, like it feels like it's crunchy when I move it. So it may take a while. Just be patient, I guess. The Ikan Bilis already turned into brown color like this, and you can see the bubble is less, and then you can feel it's crunchy by the touch. I mean by the touch of this chopstick. So I can pick it up now. You see, you can feel the crunchiness. So it will continue to cook a while, even after I take it out. So now we put in a second batch. Normally I will keep it in a bottle, a glass bottle, and my son sometimes will eat it like snacks, or when we cook meat, then we will put some to the noodles, and it tastes very good, like those hawker food. Nowadays, Ikan Bilis is very expensive. But in fact, everything is very expensive nowadays. Go away, fly! Ikan Bilis has changed its color and it's already crunchy to touch, so we can take it out. Okay, I still have another batch. Okay, this is the last batch. The third batch is ready. Let me taste. Let's store them into this container. Make a mess.